GBP against US dollar. This week has risen in value. The week started with this bullish candle from this area of support 1.34087. The price continued to rise in value in the next 3 days, and the price has reached 1.355, where the price has formed here a bullish breakout above, targeting the next resistance level here, but the price has been invalidated with this bearish candle, a bearish breakout indicating further decline in value. We can see that the price has made that. After that, the price has returned back down, reaching 1.34087, a demand zone here, where the price has bounced a little bit when the price has reached this area of support. Weekly time frame shows us that we currently have a bearish pin bar. We can see that a pretty large wick has been formed on the market with a small body and a small wick on the lower side, which means there was buying pressure pushing the price up, but then the sellers have pushed the price returning back down. The monthly time frame currently shows it is a strong bearish candle formed on the chart, so we'll see how the price will behave in the next week, because it's very important how the monthly time frame will close. Will the price manage to stay above this area of support, which is around 1.337, or the price will make a bearish breakout, which will be indication of the further decline in value. But this is something that we need to watch closely, especially on the daily time frame. So the weekly, it is a bearish pin bar. We'll see that. But here the daily time frame shows much more clear information what we can expect. It is the second time that the price is trying to make a bearish breakout below this area of support, which means it's very important support level, and we can see the price here was a gap for the price, we can see that, and also we will see how the price will behave on a Monday when the price opens. Will it open with a gap, making a gap starting from here, then returning back up, or it will be a gap on the upper side, which means on the upper price level. Something that we need to watch and see how the price will behave on a Monday. It's very important to see how the price behaves. Currently on the 4-hour time frame, we can see that the price is below this area of resistance 1.344, which means there is still more room for the price to return back down. But will that happen? This is something that we need to watch and follow the market, how the price makes a bullish or bearish breakouts. When the breakout happens, I will share that inside the premium analysis with the traders, so feel free to check the link below in the description and join other traders. Now, for example, for the daily time frame, the price has made a retrace slightly. It is very important to see how the price will behave around this area of support. Will it bounce, returning back up, making a retrace, or it will make a bearish breakout below this area of support? It is something that we need to watch and see how the market reacts. For now, there is no clear information where the price could go for the next week for the GBP against US dollar. That's all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.